Hey everyone, Jacob from Tiny Homes here. I want to take you guys through this Vista here today. This one is in stock, in inventory now, and we have a huge sale on it. So we're going to go through everything that's included, but the list price on this home with the discount is $59,500, so even less than our base price. So let's go inside and take a look. Actually, let's just start outside first. You can see this one has the two-tone exterior look and then the black windows. These are dual pane, low E windows, tempered glass throughout. So really high quality windows on the outside of this home here. Full glass door. As we come inside the Vista here, we get directly into the kitchen. Now, the base model Vista that you guys have seen just has these two cabinets. We have the sink and induction cooktop, so that all comes standard. But what we've done in this model specifically that we're including, we have the included combo washer dryer, so that appliance is included there. We installed upper kitchen cabinets, so you have tons of storage up above. I put a shelf in here with some hanging, some hooks on there so that you can hang some cups and things like that, throw some plants up above. So yeah, this is kind of that kitchen space specifically, and what we've done to that, that's all included. Opposite of that, we have a refrigerator over here on this side. That comes included as well. And then for storage, one of the things we're really focusing on this house, giving you guys a great deal, is doing a lot of storage that's built in. So we have two large pantry cabinets in here. This one here set up really just as an extension of the kitchen space, so you can put all your dry goods and things like that in here. It has an outlet in here which lets you put appliances in here, so as I'm showing here, just a microwave. And then lots of shelving down below, so you can put all your dry goods, pots and pans, kitchen items in this cabinet here, and then it's closed out of the way, covered up. This one here could be even more kitchen storage depending on what your needs are. I have it set up right now kind of as closet space. You can see with all the shelves and open space in here just how much you could really fit. You can do shoes down below, shirts, pants, put some bins in here like this for your smaller items. Lots of space in this cabinet, and again, covered up, kind of out of the way there. And then to eat and work, what we do a lot is these built-in quartz tables right here. And what we wanted to do in this one was a collapsible one. So this one is just a nice wood table that pops up. You can sit at this, eat, work. It is really strong, really sturdy. Get everything done that you need to here. And then when you're not using it, really simply fold it down and out of the way. So a lot of table space here that isn't permanent, so when you do have guests over, you're entertaining, really easy to get you more space on the floor. Again, fridge right there, and then the ladder to the small loft is over on this side. When we go back on that side of the house, I'll explain more about the loft and the bathroom, but the ladder tucks away out of the way right there. This here is the living space of the Vista. Now we have these large picture windows letting in lots of natural light, and then the couch over on this side. This couch is included in this model. It's one of the upgrades. You can see large couch, really comfortable. And then what we did here was put some cabinet storage down below. So you have cubby storage under here. If you put some bins or things like that in here, you have lots of space underneath this what would otherwise be unutilized space, because the wheel well is actually underneath here. For the TV, because you're sitting here, and of course we want to be able to use these windows for all this natural light in, what we did was put in a projector. So we have the projector over on this side. Now the actual projector doesn't come with, but the outlet and everything that is set up there does. And then over across, we have the projector screen. So projector screen just pulls down, blocks the light. You can use it as your TV, and then when you're not using it, really simple, pull it up out of the way. Now that projector screen does come included in this home. Back over here, we get to the loft. You can see more of that loft space up there. But what I do want to show you on this side of the house is the stairs over here and how much storage we have built into these stairs. So these are the cubby stairs that you typically see in the Vista. But what we did on this one was we put doors in and then adjustable shelving. So you have adjustable shelving within the cabinets and then doors covering them. So clothes storage and stuff over here when you're not using it, and then tuck it away out of the way there. Same for this large cabinet here. We actually put a hanging rod in there so you can hang some clothes and have things in there. We did also do the same adjustable shelving in here, so you have even more storage options. And then I put a mirror on the wall, on the door right here, so that you can get ready right here, do everything you need, and then tuck it all away when you're finished. Keeps the home nice and clean and organized. The loft up on this side, we call this the secondary loft, or the additional loft. You could fit a full-size bed up there. A twin fits really well. You have space on either side. You have the cubby option that we went with in this house. So you have cubby storage on either side, 4 of these big large bins that you can use for storage. The bump out from that vanity continues all the way up, so you have even more storage on that vanity bump out up there in the loft. So even with a twin size bed up there, if you're using that as a guest space, you have tons of storage. So if you put your winter clothes up there during the summer and vice versa when the seasons change, you can keep all of that up out of the way. And then the ladder is right here. You take it out, hook it onto that rod right there, and enter into the loft really easily. So that's even more storage up on that side. "36-inch shower on this side, so large shower, all the black hardware. We've included a couple other things like this medicine cabinet on the wall in the bathroom here, washcloth racks, towel racks, everything that you kind of need, even the toilet paper holder. Everything's ready to go in this bathroom and this home in general. You could move into this thing right away, get started. Some of the other things, just quartz countertops, cabinets, everything's soft close. So all the cabinet doors soft close, drawers are all soft close. Really high quality stuff that we've done in this home. Tempered glass windows, the full shiplap interior. This house also has some upgraded insulation in it. So it's just kind of everything that you need at a super great price for this end of year sale. So if you have any questions about this home, easiest way is give us a call, 470-748-9854. Go to our website. You see this house will be listed under the Buy Now section on our website. You can see more information there about the home. You can see the price sheet, videos, photos, all the inclusions, all the options will be listed on the website there. Check us out, on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all those places as well. On the website, if you fill out the contact form, one of us will get back to you right away. Again, this house is available now if you're watching this video, so reach out to us with any questions. Thank you guys.